Welcome back to this Manna Moment. Giants Among Us, a 30-day devotional, a journey through origins and identity. Day 3, Giants in the Land and the Flood of Reset. There were giants on the earth in those days and also afterward. Giants are not just physical beings and have the physicality of being big. They're tyrants, bullies, agents of fear. They represented anything that exalts itself against the knowledge of God. The Nephilim were born of rebellion and became instruments of terror. The flood was meant to cleanse the earth of corruption, yet giants reappeared. Now, theories abound, perhaps through the wives of Noah's sons, or a second incursion of fallen beings. But the spiritual truth remains. Corruption has a way of resurfacing when vigilance fades. What giants roam your spiritual landscape? Fear of failure, generational trauma, hidden sin. These giants don't just intimidate, they seek to dominate. But like David, we are called to confront them, not with armor, but with covenant. In our lives, we may experience seasons of cleansing, deliverance, breakthrough, renewal. But if we don't guard the gates, old giants return. Spiritual purity requires ongoing stewardship. Here's your prayer prompts for today. God, expose the giants in my life. Give me the courage to confront them with your truth. Father, help me remain vigilant after victory. Let me not grow complacent in seasons of peace. Your activation. Name your giant and find one scripture that directly contradicts its power. Declare it daily for the next week. Reflect on a past breakthrough. What boundaries must you reinforce to prevent relapse? With prophetic insights. Giants fall not by might, but by revelation. The stone of truth slays what towers over you. The enemy doesn't mind waiting. Remember, giants return when gates are left unguarded. I hope this has blessed you, and if it has, let me know. And until then, have a God-centered day.